That's the start that they got from her. Nung kalaban, but that's also that could also be a good point for them, especially if you now go up and of your opponent
So
is.
scouting
If you've
muna.
done good scouting, then it's easy to identify that. But if not, another good target zone
Point
is
goes to
that
FEU.
pawn serve to
7-4.
right.
The set was not ideal.
Nice
para kay
set.
Abil.
Sugod, but the block of Adorador was there. See, after Papa gives you a running back set, next set she gives out is to the opposite side.
At the bleachers there, extremely energetic.
Warm up pa lang, warm up
Warm up pa lang. Mainit na sila.
Mainit na sila. Akala mo talaga,
Rose Mata.
fifth set na. Iiwas mo talaga yung katawan mo.
Push by Simborio. Adorador fires one in. Yes.
Shaya Adorador.
Right, offense of Yui.
It's starting to click.
That's right. Now she's serving. That's an excellent serve to Agno. Cross court is inside.
Rose Mata.
Arado again missing that. Then move on to probably a match. For FEU, nakita naman natin the same gear. Irregardless, no, kung ano ang kung sino ang kalaban, dapat laging yung attitude. Kailangan kahit ano yan, basta umangat yung bola, gawan mo ng paraan. That's your job.
And Batman getting a touch right away.
Gadan.
12. Good serve. And again, the defense of UE needs so much more work as Palabanan easily landed inside.
Yeah, found a way to land inside. This imminent win for FEU if they continue to keep playing this on the floor right now.
Poor reception.
Oh,
Just on the line, a lucky break for Dawis.
there you go.
Very nice.
See, that middle attack has been very, very productive for
Lineup ng Lady Red Warriors. Papa setting it up. Pons. Pons fires. E. Here in set number 3, straight sets para sa Lady Tamaraos, and they go up 2-1 against the 0-3 Lady Red Warriors.